Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Open device manager. On this window, you need to click on sounds driver, right click on it and select update drivers. Now follow the all steps. Now click on check for updates. It will take some time. Once done, close this window. Again right click on it and select properties. Then go to drivers and again click on update drivers. Select next and click on S. Now close this. Now close this window. Go to search bar and type here control panel. Click here to open it. Now click on system and drivers. Click on this option. Click here and then click on open system restore. Then click on next. Select this. Now close this. Again select it and click on next, and then you need to click on finish. Once done, it will automatically restart your machine. After that, you need to go to search bar and type in device manager. Open it. Go to sounds driver, right click on it and select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall and simply restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.